bugs me. Sorry if you can hear the old side-by-side blog in the background. Love those guys. Yeah, see, like this. No, that rental should be level. This has got to go. That'll come off the next couple of days. I'm going to put it in the house for Christmas by the Christmas tree. And after that, we're going to pull this whole thing apart, go through, grease the linkage, grease the steering. Suspension's going to speed. We'll send these out, get these Cerakoted, probably black, maybe burnt bronze. I'm thinking black though. Replace the coolant with some engine ice. Gotta get rid of this. Not a child, so get rid of that. Throw some pegs on it. Radiator braces, have these welded, and probably actually have them braced as well while they're at ICW. Rear shock linkage, sooner or later, whenever they come out with one, we'll probably throw one on this. You can see the shock shaft's already coated. Might pull that cap off. You can see from the factory it comes kind of tore up, custom. But probably have that sent out and get that Cerakoted black or something. You can see the shock shaft is tie nitrated, which is pretty cool. Saves me some money from sending it out to get it done to match the front. Thing's sweet. I'm super excited, super happy with it. This, I gotta move this up into there. This is all gonna come apart though, because I'm gonna grease it. I'm gonna move the handlebars forward as well. My buddy Brock's bike, just chilling. It's a 20 YZ450F. The old titanium gas tank, that thing is sweet. I've never really been a huge fan of Yosh pipes. I grew up racing moto, and they were always the least dependable, or durable, I guess I should say. I'll be surprised if this thing lasts me 2 months, because it's probably just gonna get thrashed. Gonna order a disc guard, because if you look, you can see they have the spots to mount them. They just don't put it on there. So, gonna get the guard for that. As far as this goes, I'm gonna leave this all alone for now. As far as like the Hinson and everything, it's only got a basket in it. It doesn't have a hub or pressure plate. I'm pretty sure it's OEM steels and fibers. Shock's gonna get valved and sprung as well. That's Speed Technologies. Ryan's gonna do that. So yeah, that's the bike. Any questions or comments, anything you want to see, let me know. Like I said, my last bike was a 13, well, that I rode all the time. I had a 15, but actually I had a few 15s, but those are bought and sold. No steering stabilizer on these anymore, not even a place to mount it. You can see the old WE. Thing's sweet. I'm super excited. Oh, what, Lou? Little guy over there crying. What are you doing? So, yeah. Anything you want to see? Comment on it. Let me know. Probably replace these grips, because honestly my OCD does not go well with that. It sucks because they're brand new and they're nice, but those grips kind of suck once they get wet. DID wheels. Oh yeah, another thing, I don't know if we'll be able to see it. For the suspension guys out there, the shock has a bleed valve in it, built in. You can see it right there, little black Allen. I'll get you out of the chair, buddy. Okay. Over and out.